Oh, Nasir done snuck his way out. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Please excuse my appearance. I'm still getting ready. I just need to, do my hair and call it a day. But we are getting ready to leave the house in about 30 minutes. I'm taking the kids out. It's a surprise. I didn't tell them anything about it. Well, about the whole day. Giselle's friends are in like a statewide choir, and they're performing downtown, which is very close to us. And Giselle wanted to go support her friends, so she knows about that. Other kids don't know about that, but they also don't know that it is a Christmas festival downtown where they're gonna have vendors and Santa Claus and bouncy houses and carnival rides. I'm assuming it's just a regular Christmas festival, because other than that, I don't know what it's for. But I do know that we're going. So they don't know anything about that. So I'm gonna surprise them. So after we see her friend sing, then it's in walking distance. Like, it's all in the same downtown area. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna make a day out of it. Not only that, of course, we're probably going to eat out. And then tonight, I actually want to take them to the Train of Lights. And basically, the Train of Lights is like a mini train that at night or when it gets dark, it takes you around, and they have like a light display. So I want to take them to that. So we have a whole day planned. But right now, we got to be there by 12. So we really need to leave the house in 30 minutes. So that's why I'm kind of rushing the intro. But that's the plan for today. I'm gonna finish getting ready, and then we're gonna get the kids ready. All right, we about to get ready to go. I need to get their clothes together. Just some pants. Don't fall. And your cricket. I'm trying out this new stand for the camera, and I'm still getting used to it, so don't fall. Let me get the kids clothes so we get them dressed, because I'm trying to get out the house in 10 minutes. I'm already ready. I just have on some leggings and a hoodie. Yeah, I don't do too much. So let me get their clothes, and I'm just going to give them pretty much the same thing. Either some sweatpants and a hoodie, or just pants and a hoodie. And it's like 55 today, so it is on the cooler side, but it's still not cold. But you know how easy kids get sick. We do not have time for sick kids on Christmas. So I'm gonna dress warm. Whew, I'm out of breath. Okay. Should I just do sweatpants for him? I feel like I should just do sweatpants. We even have sweatpants that fit. Oh yeah, it's not the same gray. Oh, on camera it look like the same gray. Look at the same gray. Close enough. And he already got a t-shirt on. Gray socks. Here, Malachi. Okay. Nasir has a hoodie. He has a gray hoodie too, so I might as well get him gray sweatpants. Do he have a gray hoodie right now? I think he do. So put those on with some socks, because I think it's gray and blue. Then he's good. Now we gotta get Nay's. Well, Nay got on sweatpants too, even though they on backwards. But yeah, let's get Nay's socks. She's gonna need some long socks. I know that much. I have to make sure their room is clean. Ma'am, get some clothes on. Warm clothes, please. Thank you. You see this? Look at this. You don't have to.
Where we going?
Out. Sure as not. Not no fancy. I said warm. She got her underwear already. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry for these angles. Like, what's happening? Where you going? For what? Yeah. Come on there. You just gotta take the shorts off. Oh, I didn't know you had socks already. You can keep those socks on. Just put the pants on.
Can I put the pants on over my shorts?
That's fine. If they fit.
Okay. Can I cut the TV off?
No, you don't need to cut the TV off, babe. Put it on the phone. Put what on the phone?
Put on the shorts. They won't fall.
That's why let's fix your pants. Ooh, where did underwear come from? And they on backwards.
What backwards?
Your pants was backwards.
Oh, yeah. I know.
Come on.
Baby, no. 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 Oh, let's see. Let's see it.
Let's see what you looking like. Oop. Let's fix these up. These can go down somewhere. Comfy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Miss her. Okay, I fixed me something to eat real quick. This is what I made. Where did I get this from? Food Line. So, Southern shrimp creole with rice. These are really good and really easy and simple to make, especially when you're on the run. I know we're probably going to eat out, like the kids are going to get some fast food, but I really don't want fast food. And I barely had breakfast this morning. They had a full course breakfast this morning. So I need to eat before we get out. So make it more enjoyable experience. So they up there fussing and fighting for what? I don't know. So good. You got shoes on?
Show me video.
He wear the same shoes all the time. He got a closet full of shoes.
Alexa, show me socks.
Yeah. He on some Spanish music. So I guess I need to get off before I get copyrighted, right?
This is for you, Bobby.
And then he dedicated it for me.
Huh? Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
But why was he dedicate it? Oh.
Alright, let me get off before I get copyrighted. Come on now. Maybe you want to try with the green.
You can do it. Come on.
She can have
Nutsier. Slide down. Let me see you. Woo.
Keep them wheels down.
Yes.
When they separate them, you got to be a certain weight on the side.
Yeah, so when it's spinning, it has the weight has to be balanced so it won't mess up the machine, yeah. I feel my child look like a giant. My child looks like a giant compared to everybody else. She's like a full adult. Who that adult riding the ride?
She was glad she tall when she grow up.
Yeah, I know.
Well, I say everybody want to be tall.
And
Before, people didn't want to be tall.
yeah,
But
now everybody want to be tall.
Right. It's good, too.
But she'll hit her plateau because I was like that. In elementary school, I think I was the tallest. And then the end of maybe middle school is when everybody else started catching up. So you can offer if you want to. Look.
Ivana's scared.
But she got on though.
Yeah.
And she holding everybody's hand and the railing.
Yeah. She ain't even smiling. I can't believe your daughter got her up.
Yeah.
That's good.
She'll guide her through.
That's awesome. Look at her, Mom.
Yeah.
She ain't waiting.
I hope she not crying, is she?
Probably.
We've been going there for a few months, but we're kind of looking for another one because they have a youth program, but they don't have a youth like Sunday service, and we're used to the kids being separated during Sunday service. She already over the thing, about to come down the slide.
Wait, go.
Oh, Nasir done snuck his way off. Got it, thank you. Now come on here. Nasir, come on.
We did this so he does not like hugs.
He don't like hugs. This is Grinch.
I want to leave with you.
Aww. All right. Nasir, he had enough of you. Gone. Come on, let's get out the street, please. Thank you.
I want to take a picture.
I got your picture on the video.
You want a picture of all of you in there? I'll take it for you.
Oh, thank you.
Now you gonna go, you put them run around. Yeah, watch it. You can't run over. Don't run over no boy.
Yeah.
It's fun too.
He want to get caught. That's all that is. You see, look right here. You see?
I got right here. car. Doesn't look like so.
I think he just parked.
Anyone need to get off here at SAHM?
Oh, Santa. Oh, no. We'll come back, though.
Yeah, we'll go back.
No one's getting off?
No, I don't see Santa, girl.
Think we good. Think we good.
Where's Santa?
Oh, they got the sleigh up there and everything. That wasn't set up when we was here because it started at 1.
Okay.
Mommy, you've been on the brush for a minute.
Oh, this free available.
I know that's right. Candyland Christmas, where is that?
Different stuff.
Everybody see you.
That's a lot more better.
Help me.
Who about to sing?
I said something. I get to it.
Santa, a car right there.
Yep.
Can you believe someone surrendered him for being too clean?
All right, we are back home now. I want to go ahead and cook something for dinner. We had grabbed something to eat out. I didn't record that, but it's getting dark outside, and now we're going to do, well, once it's completely dark, we're going to do like part 2 of our day, and we're going to do the train of lights. So it's this little mini train station or mini train that's near us. It's like 5 minutes away, and they set up, it just goes around, and they have like light displays and stuff, so the train will take you around and see the little lights and stuff. And I think that would be so cute and fun for the kids today. So we're gonna do that once it is completely dark outside, because you know when you go see the lights you want it to be dark outside. But I need to cook dinner, so that is perfect time. So by the time we by the time I cook dinner and everybody eat, then it'll be time to go. So that's what we're about to do. I want to try this. I had seen it on Pinterest, this basically crab cake Alfredo. So basically it's just Alfredo and then they put crab cakes on top. So I mean, I'm gonna do it the lazy way, but it looks so good that I want to try it. So that's what we're gonna make. Now okay, not too much on my crab cake. I left it on a little bit too long, but I'm pretty sure it's still gonna all taste good. It looks good. Now I'm about to try it, hurry up and eat. Kids already ate, and we're gonna head to the train of lights. We're gonna have to add this to the rotation, for real. And I'm glad that I left my crab cakes on a little too long, because the outer edges are like a little bit crispy, which gives it a different texture for, like, you know, the noodles. I don't even know why I haven't thought to do this. I did every kind of Alfredo: shrimp, chicken, salmon. I don't know why I didn't think to do a crab cake one. But I'm gonna finish this so we can go. You hear them in the background.
I get to look at the lights and everything.